At Spanos ElectriCool, we pride ourselves on delivering top quality services tailored to your needs. Every job is executed with meticulous care, ensuring your complete satisfaction. We believe in upfront honesty. Our transparent quoting process means you'll never encounter hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. We value your trust and work hard to earn it. Have an urgent problem? Our dedicated team is ready to assist with your same-day responses and 24-hour emergency electrical services. From electrical repairs and installations to air conditioning solutions that enhance your comfort. Spanos ElectriCool is Brisbane's trusted name for fast, reliable services. We leverage the latest technology and industry best practices to provide you with efficient and effective solutions. As a family-run business, we treat our customers like family. Our mission is to create lasting relationships built on reliability, professionalism, and genuine commitment to your needs. Your comfort and safety are our top priority. Visit our website or call today to find out more.